Yo guys, so the first app we're going to take a look at is called Stories for Reddit. So if you have a lot of image subreddits that you follow, then this app is perfect for you. Basically, this turns all the posts in any subreddit into a story-like feature, sort of what you find on Instagram and Snapchat. So you can advance to the next post simply by clicking on the image, and it'll go through all the posts in that subreddit. Now, this also supports animated GIFs, so you can watch GIFs really easily within the viewer, just like you would with any normal video. So definitely give it a try, and yeah, small disclaimer, I did develop this app. Okay, so you might notice that I have this unread notification on my screen. And if I open it, my friend will know that I read it even if I don't reply. Well, luckily, an app called Unseen sort of solves the issue. So a lot of times I like looking at notifications, but I don't want the person knowing that I read them because then I have to reply. So with Unseen, I can read the full message content and the sender won't even know that I open up the message. And this works within Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Viber. It's an awesome way to take a look at message content without triggering out read receipt, and it's also a great way to manage group conversations if you don't want the group knowing that you already opened up the message. So if you're wondering where I get my wallpaper from, it's from an app called Wally, and this is definitely one of the best wallpaper apps I've ever used. The app is very well designed, looks beautiful, and all the wallpapers are user submitted, and they're all really high quality. I was pretty impressed when going through all the popular wallpapers, just how good they look. And the app makes it really easy to download the wallpaper and set it as your background. So if you're looking to revamp your notification shade, then take a look at the app called Material Notification Shade. So this app basically allows you to change the look of your notification shade. So by default, you'll notice I have a Samsung dark theme applied. Now within this app, I can go and change my notification shade to a light theme, the light Oreo theme, and now my notification shade will have a very light theme to it. Likewise, I can also change it to a dark theme, which doesn't look as good, but I can still change it to that, and I have a dark notification shade. So you can even add a transparency, which is kind of interesting to it. And you can also customize the individual colors and the type of theme that you want to apply. So if you're looking to have a little fun, then you should check out this app called Motion Stills. So Motion Stills allows you to create a short video of basically anything. It kind of reminds me of the Instagram boomerang effect, where you can do a little short clip that will replay. So with this, you can basically record a short clip and then you can export it as a GIF or an MP4. Definitely if you're into doing this type of things, it's kind of cool and probably the easiest way to make a short animated GIF. So finally, you might notice those lines at the top of my screen. So one of them is telling me my battery percentage and the other one is telling me my CPU usage. And this is through an app called PowerLine. So PowerLine allows you to add a bunch of lines anywhere on your screen, and these lines could represent different things. So you could have battery percentage, CPU usage, memory usage, alarm, Wi-Fi signal strength, and it goes on and on. And you can customize the thickness of these lines, where they show up, the color, and you can even add like a gradient style to the lines. And if you really want to geek out on this, you have the option to do so. Now some of the more interesting components require you to pay for the app, but as far as the free tier, you do get an option to see at least your CPU usage, memory usage, and other minor things. So guys, this has been a look at the top Android apps of November 2017. Tell me what app you like the most below. If you have an app that I did not mention, definitely tell us about it. Don't forget to go and hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned for another galvanizing video. Thanks.